Olutuula lwa Paalamenti olw'olunaku lwaleero enteekateeka ez'okwanjula ennongooseza mu mateeka agalungamye mu kugatta ebitongole bya gavumenti ebadde ku mwanjo, era abamu ku babaka awatali kwawulamu bali mu kibiina ekiri mu buyinza n'abaludda luvuganya gavumenti basoose kusimbira nteekateeka eno ekkuuli olwa gavumenti obutasooka kuteekawo kakiiko akanekenneenya ssemateeka koyinza okuyita Constitutional Review Commission.
On whether we should really proceed with this particular bill in the absence of the undertaking we made of a Constitutional Review Commission to comprehensively deal with the constitutional matters. My colleague Honorable Saro Pend has brought here a constitutional amendment bill. It was shot down. My colleague here, Honorable Wilfred Rwagaba, brought a constitutional amendment bill. It was shot down.
Is that the Minister for Constitutional Affairs, the Honorable Norbert Mao, committed himself on the floor of this Parliament that is going to bring the whole package of the constitutional amendment. It is on record of this House.
Court ruled, and Parliament can look at the judgment, that matters of constitutional nature cannot be rushed, even if it is one sentence.
Constitutional Commission. Because what the Honorable Suman was talking about is very clear. Is government intended and intentioned on causing serious amendments to overhaul the Constitution?
Ssaabawolereza wa gavumenti Kiriwa Kyonka agumizza ababaka bw'ategeezezza nti gavumenti eri mu nteekateeka ezisembayo ez'okuteekawo akakiiko akogerwako.
I can also report that he has instructed the Law Reform Commission to collect them and look at their effect on the various other parts of the Constitution. Right Honourable Speaker and Honourable colleagues, that process is ongoing.
Abamu ku babaka batuuse ne ku ssa ery'okulangira gavumenti olw'okwekuba akalipo ku by'okugatta ebitongole bya gavumenti ng'ate gavumenti y'emu eno ye yayawula ebitongole ku zi ministry.
I don't want us to be driven to come to a stage now where we are going, we want another UCB, we want Uganda Airlines, Uganda Railways. You sold them when we are here.
That we get to discuss generally, and then we determine how we move. But this piecemeal, this, the other, and so on, it's not very smooth, right, Honourable Speaker?
Yadde bino byonna byogeddwa tekirobedde Speaker of Parliament Anita Mongo kuwamwaganya baminisita kwanjula nnongoosa mu mateeka aganaayitwamu okugatta ebitongole bya gavumenti.
We invite the minister sector, respective sector ministers, to table the first reading and the bills relate to different sectors and they enumerate different specific pieces of legislation.
I beg to move that the bill entitled the Constitution Amendment Bill 2023 be read for the first time. I beg to move.
I beg to move that the bill entitled the Rationalization of Government Agencies, Education Sector Amendment Bill 2024 be read for the first time.
Amateeka gano agagenda okukolebwamu ennongoosereza gy'oyinza okuyita ebbago gasindikiddwa eri obukiiko bwa Paalamenti obugavunaanyizibwako obutereevu okuli akakiiko ka Paalamenti akavunaanyizibwa okuya amateeka ssaako n'obukiiko obulala, era ng'obukiiko buno busuubirwa okutunuulira ennongoosereza zino obutasukka nnaku 45. Joseph Seruwoza, BBS Terefayina, Parliament.